Want to say anything for the video?
Hello, I'm Alexia.
For day one, say day one for the...
Okay, day one, hello, I'm Alexia. I like cats, and
We are at the horse farm.
Yeah, we're at the horse farm.
Horses, healing hearts.
Yeah.
Healing horses, healing hearts.
Yeah.
This is Liz.
Hi.
Say hi, Liz. You already did. And there's Theo.
Yeah, Titi.
And you want to be in the video?
I'm Julie.
And Julie is also here. Good friend Julie.
I was born to the dirt, I shall return when my eyes are closed. In the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night, my soul will rise. From the darkness to the light, I feel alive. I'm a fire burning bright, I'll never
And live, not live, but you know, video. Let's do the music. Yeah. Hello. Ah. Hello there. Hey. Wah. No attacking. The cameraman's being attacked. I must go around. Hello there. The cameraman's being attacked.
What's her name?
Rhea. Hey Rhea. Under your beard. On the neck. Was it good? Oh, she's snow. Snow. Still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Want me to stop?
And stop. Hello everybody, it's me, MDK Maplewoski at the farm with
Angie.
and we are doing day
2.
Day 2. And what are you excited about today?
The minis.
The minis. So we're gonna do the
Waffle
minis.
again. I get to see
Tux and Waffle.
again.
You wanna be in? Alright. So what's your name? And if you want to say your name, if you don't, you just say anonymous.
That's Finn.
Finn. And Finn, are you most excited about the farm today?
Just everything in general.
Everything, yes. Liz, do you want to be in?
Sure, why not?
And one of the owners, Liz.
Hi.
Yes, hi. What do you want to say for the video?
I'm so glad to have these kids here today, and
Yay.
you too, Matthew, doing
Me too.
these videos. It's
Sure.
pretty
And that's me. And I'll see you guys in the pictures.